Here's a quick rundown for how to do mind mapping notes in Google Slides. Your central theme is going to go into a shape, so I'm going to insert a shape. And I want my shape here, and I can type right into it. Here is my central theme for today. And you're going to be reading from your textbook, and your textbook tells you about 4 biological molecules. So I'm going to insert another shape for each of those biological molecules. So here's my first shape, and my shape needs to be connected to my central theme. So I'm going to insert a line, and I can connect the line. Maybe I'm going to insert a line, and I'm going to connect the line from this shape to this shape, and so I've got those purple dots on the end. And so now if I move this shape, notice it stays connected, and I need a total of 4 of these. So I can hold Shift and click on my line, and so now I can Control C for copy, and then I can Control V for paste, and I have a new box. I can move my box, and then I can reconnect my line. Click on my line, and I can take this little blue end and connect it over here so it becomes purple. And I do the same thing again. Control V for paste. I'm going to move it down here, and Control V. And I'm going to move it down here, and then all I have to do is reconnect my lines where I want them to go. And so I make this blue dot become purple, and I move this to a different point here. So now I've repositioned all of my bubbles that I'll type into, and I've made sure all the lines connect to the appropriate places, and you can type in your notes in these areas. All you're going to have to do is add more shapes and connect them with more lines and type in your notes from this section.